Hello everyone, I guess you're all familiar with the street lighting system. Automatically turned on when the environment is darkened at night. When in the daytime, it's automatically turned off, which is quite intelligent and also plays a role in energy saving. Today we'll use a photoresistor to simulate a public street lighting system. When the environment is dark, the street light is automatically turned on. When the environment is bright, the street light is automatically turned off. Of course, the street light here is replaced by an LED. First, let's briefly introduce the photoresistor. The photoresistor is made based on the photoconductivity of the semiconductor. The resistance will change with the intensity of the incident light. Light intensifies, resistance decreases. Light weakens, resistance increases. According to the spectral characteristics of the photoresistor, it can be divided into three kinds: ultraviolet photoresistor, infrared photoresistor, visible light photoresistor. And in this experiment, we use visible light photoresistors. This is the circuit diagram. Photoresistor is an analog device, so we connect it to the analog pin AO of Arduino. Upload the code. We output the value of the photoresistor read by Arduino from the serial port. When we cover the photoresistor to simulate the environment getting dark, the value is increased. When moved over, the value is 0. The LED light is connected to pin 12 of Arduino. Now let's take a look at the code. First, add the library file for serial communication. The following function is the initialization function. Set the communication baud rate to 9600. Set pin 12 to the output mode. This is the main loop function. Here is the analog value read by photoresistor and output by the serial port. Following is to determine the value of the photoresistor that is read. When the value is greater than 0, means the environment is dimmed. At this time, the LED light is turned on and delayed for 1 second. Upload the code. You can see that when cover it, the LED is on, and move over, the LED is off. Okay, this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.